Hello, so I wanted to give you an update on Groove Animator. So we're looking at just kind of some samples I've set up just to kind of demonstrate some of the new things in Groove Animator. Real quick, I just wanted to say that since we were unable to launch a week ago, we've been basically adding new stuff, and as we've added new stuff, it's introduced some new bugs. And I just don't want to release this when I know it's going to be frustrating for you. A lot of vendors release stuff where it's just not ready. And I don't want to do that to you, and I don't want to do that to me, frankly, because I have to answer your customer support emails, and I would be totally understanding if I got this in your hands right now and you'd be upset. So it looks like we're going to be able to clean this all up, and we're looking to get Easy Animator Pro users an advanced offering for this on Monday. That's the 19th of September, and the 26th is when we're hoping to do the actual public launch. So just real quick, I wanted to show you some of the new stuff. As one of the things that you can see here that I've got is this dashed outline. That's a new animation feature. So it's right here. And really, we're just getting started with this feature. We want to add more different dashes that you can add, eventually an editor where you can make your own. The ability to reverse the direction and stuff like that. You can already color it over here and apply it to a bunch of different things. So here's an example. For example, I can get this guy here, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply the animation to it as well. And that's, one of the things that I just kind of want to say here is that, it looks easy once we finish and get it working right, but it was not easy initially to kind of get it to work with all the different images, all the different types of things. And so that's the sort of thing that has kind of taken it, made it added a little bit additional time. I wanted to show you some other things here that we've done in the timeline here. You'll notice that this animation right here where it says Animator, it says fade out, and it's got a fade out animation built into it so that at the end it fades out there. Now there's another way that you can do that. Sometimes, if I do that, I need to go into the animation and come back here in the fade out option. I can set the time where it starts and all that, but it may be just kind of more time consuming to do that. Another way that I can do that is I've got the draw animation here, and what I've done is I've turned it off there for the text there, groove. Now I can come down here and I can add an empty. Let's move this up so I can not conflict with my bar there. And I've got that selected. Now I'm going to come over here, and I'm actually just going to apply only a fade out here, and I don't have to worry about the time here now. It'll start immediately. And if I apply that just to this section here, it will do the same thing. It'll fade out that the text there. You see the word groove is fading out. But one of the neat things that we can do now is, let's say that I really kind of need to be able to tweak this easily. So I can go in here and move that over the other animation and make it apply to that animation. And that's the sort of thing that we can do with some of the other animations as well. And that's the kind of thing that we're trying to, get into your hands so that you have a much more powerful tool to create animations, and with the timeline you're able to do integrated cool things with them without having to use a third-party application as much. And so another little thing that you can see here that I did that we kind of wanted to be able to facilitate, I wanted to be able to do a little kind of fireworks thing here, and right now it is, to be honest, acting just a little bit buggy, but I'm going to go ahead and apply that animation. And let's come back here, and if I do that, you can see that I can have that kind of effect where it kind of goes in and goes away real quick and does this sort of firework effect. And I accomplished that by setting the number of loops to 0 and making the speed real fast. I can make it even faster. Let's do it like 0.3 there, and I'm going to apply that, and it just creates a quick little animation effect. Now the cool thing too is that I can drag on these, so I can stretch them out if I want to, and it looks like it's had a hard time with that. There we go. And so there's things like that they can do. I can do that to all of the animations. I can move them, or I can make them last longer or shorter by dragging on the ends. And so that's the kind of versatility that we wanted to add to Groove Animator, and we just need a little bit more time to get things cleaned up. So we're looking to make this available to Easy Animator Pro users with a coupon that'll be in your member area on Monday. That's going to be the 19th of September, and then on the 26th we're looking to launch this full to everyone. So I hope you will check it out when we launch it and have a lot of fun with the Groove Animator like we are.